We are on our way to our cabin. About 5 minutes, we're gonna arrive there.
I'm gonna pull in here real quick. I'm going to read the directions.
This place is on our way to our
Take
cabin.
bypass.
We just arrived in our cabin, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like outside. So we are here in Fransingdu cabin. It's kind of secluded area here when we are passing. So this is the front of our place, and I'm gonna go here at the back side of it. You can see there's grill area, charcoal, and then a picnic table. You can also do some, if you're doing a fire over the night. And all the way in that part is the pond. We're thinking about to go there for fishing, and that is the back of our cabin. And if you can hear that noise, that's the hot tub. Here's the hot tub at the back of our place that we're staying for 3 days. Let's get inside to the cabin. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So from the entrance or from the front door, here's the kitchen. And dining table, the living room, and there's the one bathroom. It's really nice here. It's really warm and very nice. And there's the second bedroom. I think this is the master's bedroom because it's bigger than the other room. And that's it. And don't mind the clutter because we just got here and we're just taking all our stuff inside the cabin. Good morning, guys. I'm here right now at the back of our cabin, enjoying my coffee. And today is our second day staying here in Hacking Hills. Our itinerary for today is going to Woodlands Cave, do a little bit of hiking, and then in the afternoon going fishing. And we're going to visit also a place for dinner recommended by a friend. It's a pizza place, and at the end of the day we're just coming back here in our cabin and enjoying the rest of our night. Here we go. We're ready for our adventure day. We are here now in Woodlands Cave parking area. This is the lodge of the Hacking Hills Park, State Park. Yeah, look at that. So we can go there. over there. It's kind of scary. But it is also beautiful out. If you look at that, the landscape of it, like a natural landscape. Formation of the rock. This is called the Devil's Bathtub. I don't know why they call it that name. What is what? It is so amazing here. We're going into the cave and find out what's inside of it. It's just passing through. Yeah.
Yep.
At least at the end of the cave, there's a light.
You need to look at this.
Look what an amazing. Is that so cool? Old Man's Cave. Going to the stairs. Ooh.